Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgets Insider. Today we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes in 2025. We've picked models ranging from 350 watts to 1500 watts. Amazon's top-rated picks. Let's roll. Number 1. Gotrax electric bike. The Gotrax R1 folding e-bike makes every ride effortless and fun. This sleek 20 inches electric bike features a powerful 500 watts motor and 48 volts battery, zipping you to 20 miles per hour with a 40-mile range. 5 smart pedal assist levels, an LCD display, and one-touch folding, just 37.4 inches, make it perfect for commuting or adventures. With dual disc brakes, LED lights, and all-terrain tires, it's safe, sturdy, and UL certified. Ride smarter with Gotrax. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Isinwheel electric bike. The isinwheel U1 electric bike makes urban adventures effortless. This compact 14 inches foldable e-bike zips to 20 miles per hour with its 500 watts motor, conquering 15 degrees hills with smart adaptive power. Enjoy 25 miles of pedal assist range from its hidden 280.8 watt-hours battery. Ultra-portable yet packed with features like 3 riding modes, dual disc brakes, and UL-certified safety. Perfect for city living. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Bluebiko F6F. Get ready to conquer any journey with the Bluebiko F6F folding e-bike. Its mighty 1000 watts motor rockets you to 30 plus mph, while the giant 48 volts 20Ah battery delivers an 80-mile adventure range. Tackle 30-degree hills effortlessly and roll smoothly over any terrain with 20-inch fat tires. The foldable design fits anywhere, while dual disc brakes and front suspension keep you safe. Enjoy smart features like a sunlight-readable display, 7-speed gears, and 5 assist levels, all in one rugged UL-certified package that's 90% pre-assembled for your convenience. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Jasion EB7. This powerful 750 watts, 1200 watts peak, folding e-bike reaches 28 miles per hour with a 48 volts 10Ah removable battery, 22 to 55-mile range. Features 20 inches fat tires, dual suspension, 7-speed gears, and front-rear disc brakes. Folds to 36 by 21 by 29 inches, 59 pounds, for easy storage. Includes LCD display, USB port, and lights. UL certified for safety. Ideal for commuting or off-road riding. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Riding's Time 1500 watts e-bike. This beast delivers serious power with a 1500 watts motor hitting 28 to 31 miles per hour and conquering 35 degrees hills. Choose your battery, 15.6 Ah or 20.4 Ah or 31.2 Ah for 37 to 150 miles of range. The full suspension, 6-level, adjustable long seat 12 to 21.5 inches, and 20 by 4 inches fat tires handle any terrain. 3 riding modes, 7-speed gears, and LED lights make it perfect for trails, snow, or streets. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.